Welcome, today I'm with Huawei Mate 10 Pro and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first of all, just go to the phone app and here on the right upper corner tap here on the three dots icon and just here type to the blocked. Right there you will see one more time the settings icon, just tap here and here you will see the blacklist. And yes, you can see we got here one blocked number. Just tap on this number, press here, for a while on the number, and now you can see the checkbox. So as can you see, we had to tap on the checkbox and now we can just tap on the remove icon and confirm one more time with remove. So now we can see your blacklist is empty. So that's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.